Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to switch Wi-Fi channel for speed. Firstly, use Chrome, Safari or Edge or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type your router's IP address and press enter. Now, enter your router username and password, and then if you forgot your login info, you can check the sticker on your router to look it up and based on your router's brand. Now, find the wireless or Wi-Fi settings tab. You might need to go to advanced settings first. Look for an option called channel or Wi-Fi channel. Select either 2.4 or 5. Then just click save and apply. Your router might restart, temporarily disconnecting your device. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.